we just got her CSP back, but she told me in the last 5 minutes of our meeting that she already has another credit repair company working on, she signed up with last Friday. How will we need to approach this?
We love it when this happens, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's kind of simple, maybe not easy, but kind of simple. I mean, I'm probably going to tell you what you already know. Either they break up with the other guys or gals and work with us, or, you know, we write it up and we make an exception and we allow them to work with the company that they just started with. I mean, it's kind of that simple. Again,
Okay.
maybe so you run point to date so far. We've let all of our AEs know either ahead of time or when they bring the scenario to us, let them know that we prefer to be the ones that control the relationship, right? But if they're just in love with Johnny, the credit repair guy, and whatnot, then that's okay. We've been accommodating to that, and then we try to go on record with them and just say, that's okay, we approve that. Just know that the rest of your plan hinges on the work that Johnny, the great credit repair guy, is doing. So therefore, that means he could, help us move through this plan faster, or he could impact it negatively. As long as you know that and kind of staying in bed with Johnny, as long as you recognize and acknowledge that, we're fine with it. And oh, by the way, this is kind of the final, oh, by the way, if after a few months we're not seeing progress, can we revisit this? Because we don't love not being in control of that part of your plan. And then boom.
Okay. Good to
know. Does that work?
Yes, thank you.
So we'll follow your lead on what you say needs to happen after you build the relationship and diagnose where it should go, Lisa.
Okay. Thank you.